Hey guys, welcome to Instant Film Friday. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any future episodes. Now, this episode I wanted to talk about something that is often overlooked, but so important in instant photography, especially in modern days. So with cell phones, one of the popular things to do is take selfies, and because of that, instant cameras have started putting a selfie mirror on instant cameras, and I wanted to show you what that looks like, how to use that, all that good stuff. So this is my Instax Mini 9, and as you can see, it has the macro attachment attached. You're definitely going to want to use macro if you're going to be taking a selfie. And on the side of that macro lens attachment is a little mirror. I don't know if you guys can see the camera in it, but it's reflective, and what you're going to do is you're going to turn your camera on, you're going to hold it like that, frame your shot in that little mirror, and then you're going to take your shot. Now, you can get away, I have pretty long arms, so I extend it pretty far, and it takes pretty good selfies. So anywhere between your arm's length and closer. You don't want to get it too close because it won't focus if you do. This is my Instax Mini 90, and the selfie mirror is actually built in to the shutter button right there. So you're gonna want to frame yourself in the little circle. This one happens to be a circle. What you're also gonna want to do is, again, make sure it's at arm's length. The Mini 90 actually has two shutter buttons, one on the side, so you can use either the side one or the front one. The Mini 9 unfortunately only has one shutter button on the front, but it's located at a place where it's easily accessible, especially if you're taking a selfie. And then the last camera I want to show you from my collection is my vintage Polaroid one step. This, as you can see, does not have any sort of selfie mirror because it wasn't a thing back then, so they didn't need to do that, but you can still take a selfie easily enough. You're going to again want to put it into the macro mode, and then you're just going to extend it to arm's length and then take your picture. So there's that, a little tutorial on selfies. Let's see what I got. I think I might have a few selfies that I've taken just so you can take a look. This picture right here, I was with my friend Ryan's late dog Diego. As you can see, it framed really well using the Mini 90 and the little selfie mirror. And yeah, there's also this one right here of me and my baby niece. My glasses are fogged up because it was hot, but it's framed pretty well. So there you go. Another feature of your instant cameras that you want to get to know, the selfie mirror. If you're going to be taking any sort of selfies, definitely get to know those and have some fun. Thank you guys so much for watching Instant Film Friday, where I show you tips, tricks on how to live life instantly. So I will talk to you guys next week. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.